Are you newly engaged and now it's time to ask your best friends to be part of your wedding party? Well, I have 5 affordable bridesmaid proposal boxes ideas for you. Hi, welcome back. I'm Cherish-Laura, and today I'm so excited because I took it upon myself to create a challenge. I wanted to be able to bring to you today bridesmaid proposal ideas, but on a budget, to ask your bridesmaids with $0 all the way up to $40. And I think I did it. I think I stuck to the task. My first challenge is create a bridesmaid proposal idea without you spending any money. No money at all. And I was like, let's send a text message. It's free. And I also, just to jazz it up just a little bit, because you can just send it, will you be my bridesmaid? But I figured, why not go on canva.com? It's a free online software where you can create all types of cool designs. Also have templates that has bridal proposal ideas. So if you just can't think of anything to say, you just don't know, they do have bridesmaid proposal ideas already made for you. But however, if you want to get creative, you can use the colors of your wedding. You can use a favorite picture of you and your best friend and just make it fun. I would suggest sending a message while she's at work, so it's nice and exciting. It can make her day at work, or a random time throughout the night, and you're not spending any money, you're just using your time to create this. It's gonna still have that squill factor to it. You're just gonna be so excited that you thought of them and that you want them to be part of their big day. So, number 1, send a text message. Proposal box number 2, my budget was $5. Couldn't go over $5. How can we do this? How can we ask our bridesmaids to be part of our wedding party with only spending $5 a piece? So I got these white boxes on Amazon, and I put a balloon string on top. Inside the box, it just says, now it's my turn to pop the question. And it has a big safety pin on top for you to use a confetti balloon that has the message inside. So they'll use the big safety pin, pop it, and then they'll get their message inside. So box number 2, $5 challenge. Check. So number 3, I like to call this my bridesmaid essential kit, with everything opening back up in the world. Some might be ready to travel and start getting their bachelorette trips out of the way. With that, we want to stay safe because some places are requiring you to still wear masks as you enter. So you can give your bridesmaids a mask that has their title on it when you're out and about at crowds, and whenever you have to wear them inside certain places, you're all matching. And then I got this travel size bottle with some hand sanitizer in it. And what I like about this is that it's small, compact, carry in your purse, your backpack, your fanny pack, so you can take it wherever you go. And then also when you run out, you can not only refill it with more hand sanitizer, your bridesmaids can reuse this travel bottle for lotion or shampoo whenever they travel. Another touch to it is Lysol spray, or if you can find it, the Clorox wipes as well. So that way you're able to spray things down as you go when you're traveling. So number 3, under $15. Absolute favorite. It's the relaxation kit. I love this one because it's things that they can reuse. It's things that are gonna be nice and helpful. It's things that are gonna give them that nice glow for your big day. These items came in bulk, so it was nice to create. So I have a head wrap, exfoliating gloves, beauty blender. You can never have too many beauty blenders, especially a clean one. When I found this one, it was still in budget, and it is a facial steamer. You can steam your face before your makeup, and it's gonna help your makeup last longer. It feels so good. This is my favorite. It's another favorite of mine as well. It is a jade beauty roller. It's gonna help with depuffing of the face, help with the blood circulation in the face, help with under eye circles as well. And if you believe in the crystals and the healing power, this is supposed to help with anxiety and help with negativity. Also in the kit is a face mask. I mean, you can't go wrong with face masks. It came in a package of 10, so I tried one of them out to make sure that it was okay to suggest put in there. Did what a face mask should do. It was nice and hydrating. I didn't have any problems with any irritating the skin or anything like that. So a good face mask. For bridesmaid proposal box number 4, the budget was $25, and it's my favorite. Our 5th bridesmaid proposal idea, the budget was to be under $40. So we have a reusable rose gold bag. Inside the bag are a few items that your bridesmaids can use on your actual wedding day. The silk pajama short set, That's gonna be really cute for getting ready. It's gonna be a nice little photo op opportunity. You can use these for the actual wedding day, or you can use them for a day on the bachelorette trip that you all just have like matching pajamas on. It's gonna be so fun. Got some thong furry house shoes from Walmart. The real reason why I love these is that during the reception, after all the pictures are done, all the important things are done, and it's time to get down and dirty on the dance floor, you can run and go put these back on. So there's no excuses. Your girls can like dance all night with you. I have to insert a picture of the actual hanger. You see the decal for the hanger, and it's just, I got it from Etsy. The little bridesmaid decal. Or you can use the decal to put it on a tumbler or mug, but in this case, we're using a hanger for the garment bag. What I love about this garment bag is that you can personalize it with each girl's name. The garment bag is gonna be a way for them to keep track of everything that they purchase. With the dress, they can go ahead and put it in the garment bag, store it in their closet, and then when they purchase the shoes, they can go ahead and put the shoes in one of the pouches, and then their accessories can be in one of the pockets as well. So it's preparing them for the big day, and it's gonna help take some of the stress away for packing to head to the venue. They already know where everything is. So it's not like it's not gonna be a hunt to search for these items. It's gonna be a peace of mind for you to know that your girls are keeping track of everything. Also gonna help them out as well, because everything for your wedding day will be in this one garment bag ready to go. So that one was worth the money, I think. This video was so much fun to create. I love a challenge. Like, what do we need next? Do we need a part 2, or do you need ideas for groomsmen as well? Give this video a like so I can know that you want a part 2, or leave a comment below if you need groomsmen proposal boxes ideas as well. I would love to help you out. Don't forget to turn on your notification, because I have bridesmaid dresses coming your way under $60. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.